Hi, this is Dr. Deimler. Today I want to talk about strengthening the lumbar erectors, the low back erectors. All right, I love spaghetti. What's I love spaghetti mean? Here, Nate, check this out. I love spaghetti. These are your lumbar erectors, iliocostalis, longissimus, and spinalis of the back. Okay, we also have muscles, rotaries, and the multifidi, but we're going to keep it simple today. We're just going to talk about the low back extensors. All right. Again, a lot of these are going to be in our book, Low Back Rehabilitation. Okay, so let's start. A couple of these. We're going to start here, laying on our belly. Simple one, opposite arm, opposite leg. Okay, coming up. Boom. You'll feel it in the low back. Boom, just like that. Okay. One a little bit different, just the hands, part of a Superman exercise. Here we go. Up. Here we go. Great. Just the feet, straight up. That one you really feel it in the low back. Here. Good. All right. If we come up to quadruped position, we can do the bird dog, strengthening the muscles of the low back. Here we are. Like that. If we want to make that a little bit harder, we can use a band. Put this on your foot. Hold on to it with your hand. You may feel like a crawdad in the minnow net, but that's all right. So again, coming straight up. There we go. Okay, that's simple enough. All right, now we're gonna let Nate show you some techniques of the deadlift. Go ahead, Nate.
Okay, so with the deadlift, this is a fundamental movement that we see a lot in life. You know, let's say we're trying to pick up our grandchild or something. So we wanna be able to move better and move well. So what we're gonna wanna do first is get in a good stance with our feet, you know, shoulder width, maybe slightly shoulder width, wider than shoulder width apart. And the big thing here is we want to really contract the core. So we want to squeeze the abs, and then we want to learn how to properly hip hinge. So I got my nice big deep breath of air, squeezing my abdominals. Now I'm going to hip hinge. So I'm going to kick my butt back, okay? And I'm going to slightly bend the knees down to my object that I'm trying to pick up. And from here, once I grab that object, I want to be able to contract my scapula and depress it with my lats. So what that's going to do is that's going to add some stability in my upper back. So when I go to pick that object up, my upper back's not going to flex like this and then increase my risk of injury. So get my breath of air, hinge at the hips, bend at the knees. I've picked this object up, squeeze the lats, and straight up. Now, if we want to do that as an exercise and not just a movement, we can, again, use a band. We can put this around our feet here, hold it just like that, wrap it around our hands, get in that good position, and straight up, extending through the hips, and control it on the way back down.